How to connect your Instagram to Facebook. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can connect Instagram to Facebook. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, you have to open up Instagram in your device. Make sure that you're signed in. Navigate to your profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, now tap on the three-line icon at the top right. That's gonna take you to settings and activity. Here, tap on the first option that says Account Center. Once you're here, now head over to Profile at the top. Once you're here, now you have an option to add account. So tap on Add Account. After you tap on Add Account, you'll have an option to add a Facebook account. So select Facebook account. Here I have already added my Facebook account, so I may not find that option, but if you have not added it yet, tap on Add Account, head over to Add Facebook Account, then you will prompted to sign in into your Facebook account. Sign in into your Facebook account, then you have to choose if you want to sync your profile photos or automatically share post stories to Facebook. So you could select one from there, and once you're done with that, now your Instagram is connected to Facebook. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.